ऐश्वर्या के साथ शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
वो अभी सेट पे है और अगर मैं नहीं पहुंचू तो बहुत मारेंगे, तो मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा अभी।
ये मैं जवाब देता हूँ, पर उसके पहले मैं पूछना चाहूंगा सिड से और साजिद भाई से कि इनको कौन सा गाना पसंद है फिल्म में?
I'd uh, I'd probably say Agar Tum Saath Ho. It's a beautiful, beautiful song, and it's really simple, beautiful lyrics, and it conveys so much by saying so little. So,
For me, it was Matar Gasti. It's fantastic. From day one, I liked it, and I thought it would go with the audience. And it's doing one. It's on the chart number one.
The brief is always the story, and you tell the story, you discover the basic point of making the film, and you try to then talk about how you want to express it, express the movie itself before you even come down to the song. And then, I mean, it's not very different from the way you would actually brief an actor to begin with, or how you will try to convince the producer. It's the same thing, you know, just to tell the basic point of the story first. And one thing, Faridun, since you had asked, I must also say about Irshad and Rahman sir and the way that we have been working, is that it is not as though Rahman sir makes a tune and then Irshad writes in the words. In all the compositions that you know, that are in the film, there is much of it that's written first and then Rahman sir composes. Then the way he composes, the lyrics do change, but something like Agar Tum Saath Ho or Heer To Badi Sad Hai, these things were written before Rahman sir actually composed. मेरे लिए बहुत आसान होता है एडिटिंग टेबल पे, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट के बाद मुझे हर चीज़ ख़राब लगने लगती है. तो एक्चुअली जो मेरी बाकी टीम है, एडिटर वगैरह, वो लोग मुझे ज़्यादा रोकते हैं कि मत मत काटो मत काटो, मगर मैं लास्ट मोमेंट तक काटता ही रहता हूँ. Because we already did a session with him in which there was a very, very detailed discussion with A.R. Rahman and Irshad and myself about the music. So this is her party. So you ask her why he's not there.
I wanted it to just be you and I, like me and y'all. But
Even we are gate crashing.
I just want to
actually.
say, yeah, I was just going to say that they have crashed my party.
At this moment, yes. Yeah, yeah. At this moment, yes, because
You can't talk about any other movie right now. I'm standing here.
sorry.
This good-looking man standing here. Arey.
Sir,
दीपिका बोलो, मेरा मेरा शॉट रेडी है. बोलो, मेरे को बैड लुक्स दे रहे हैं यहाँ से.
Just come back now, yeah.
आया in 2 days. Should I go give the shot and come back without still here?
You have to go. Do you all have to ask him any questions? Otherwise, I think we can continue. Correct.
क्या जी?
ऐश्वर्या के साथ शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
वो अभी सेट पे है और अगर मैं नहीं पहुंचू तो बहुत मारेंगे, तो मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा अभी. अगर मैं सरप्राइज बोल दूं तो सरप्राइज नहीं रहेगा ना. हाँ, है कुछ. इवन अभिषेक इन टाउन, एंड आई थिंक द एंटायर क्रू इज गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट हर बर्थडे ऑन द फर्स्ट इवनिंग. थैंक यू गाइस.
Okay, bye.
I'll see you guys. इम्तियाज सर, साजिद भाई, Sid, see you guys soon. डे आफ्टर सर मैं आ रहा हूँ. एयरपोर्ट पे मिलेंगे सर.
Bye.
You guys. Thank
Bye,
you.
bye, bye.
Bye,
Bye, bye,
guys.
bye, bye, bye.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
All the
Deepika, here.
Innovative, I don't know. I don't think the idea was to try and be innovative. I think the idea really was to share this experience with all of you because I've also been shooting for Tamasha and shooting for Baji Rao, and the music went out. And I don't think I I didn't get the opportunity before this to share the music and to talk about the experience for us as actors. Because like I said, I think music is such an important part of our movies, and especially when you have the combination of Imtiaz and Rahman making music. You know, I think for every actor, that's a very, very special moment, and I wanted to share that moment with all of you.
दीपिका, तारा और दीपिका में कोई सिमिलैरिटी है?
One second. Yes, sir.
समझ में नहीं आया सर, फिर से बोल सकते हैं?
I don't know. Nargis ji or Madhubala, maybe? I don't know. Honestly, I don't think it's the most ideal situation for me because I think we all work so hard on every movie, and you want each one to have its own space and, to do it sort of properly. But when I look at the overall picture, of course, I'm selfish as an actor also, and I'm very, very excited that I have 3 very, very special films that are going to release in the same year. So Piku's already released, and we have Tamasha and Bajirao. So as an actor, I'm very, very happy. But I wish that it sort of, I don't know.
दीपिका और तारा में कितनी सिमिलैरिटीज हैं?
Sure, absolutely. I don't really have an opinion on this actually. As actors, we do our work, and that's about it. When to release, how much to release. I don't think these are questions that I've ever asked, and I don't get involved in that aspect of filmmaking. I've done my bit as an actor, and I hope that all the films, everything does well.
We'll take the last question, please. Last question.
What are the similarities?
I think that
एक सेकंड, let her answer, please.
there are similarities, but it's not very, very similar. This is a part that I've had to play. It's not something like, say, some of my other characters that I've played that have come to me very naturally. I've had to act a little bit within the film. It's not a character that I completely identify with.
Deepika, coming
Thank
back
you.
to Agar Tum,
Guys,
you were emotionally drained.
We're running out of time.
You were.
Thank you so much.